Hi guys, so I'm back with another happy mail, although this one wasn't a surprise. I knew this one was coming, and this is from Sue Freeman, who has already sent me two happy mails in the past few months. So thank you so much, Sue. But Sue contacted me, and I can't remember where she went, but she went to some sort of op shop or something, and they had fill a bag for $5 a day, and she said she can really cram a lot into a bag, and so she picked up some stuff that she thought that I might like, that she said she wouldn't use, and I felt terrible. I'm like, no, you've already sent me enough. I feel really terrible when someone spends money on me. I've always been like that. So you can understand how hard it is for me when I get happy mails. I just feel like so happy that someone sent me, but I feel really guilty that you've spent like money on me for the items or the postage. And anyway, so I said, no, you've sent me enough already. And she's like, well, I'm sending it anyway or something. And she said she crammed a lot into her bag at that $5 filler bag day. And I said, well, at least let me send you a prepaid postage bag so that you don't have to pay the postage. Because I had a little prize. She won my little rustic flower prize. And so I had to send her that anyway. So I popped in a little prepaid baggie for her. And yeah, she does know how to fill a bag. Like, look at that. This little bag is jam-packed. So thank you so much, Sue, for thinking of me. Like, I do feel terrible when people pay postage on me. So, oh my gosh. Okay, you said you found some beautiful like saris or something, or Indian type clothing at this shop that you thought I might be able to chop up. But look at this. Oh, that's really beautiful. Thank you so much, Sue. I'm glad you snapped these up. Like, even if yourself or me or whoever you had in mind couldn't use it, like, there's always somebody that wants this. But this, oh, I will definitely use this. This is beautiful. I don't often find stuff like this around my place. I did pick up two saris once at an op shop, but yeah, not a lot. That's gorgeous. Thank you. Even the material where there's no embellishments is really beautiful. Look, it's got the little machine embroidery on it. Really gorgeous. Thank you, Sue. I hope you kept some for yourself as well to make some journals. Oh, look at all the beading down the bottom. That's just gorgeous. Thank you so much. Yeah, Sue's actually started making her first journal. She's like an awesome crafter though. I've seen some stuff Sue has made. I've seen some pictures, and she makes a lot of like lacy, gorgeous stuff. I think she made some Christmas stockings as well. Oh my gosh, I just looked in the bag. Oh wow, Sue, look at this. Oh my gosh, no wonder you crammed so much into your little filler bag. I would have squeezed so much in. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, that is so beautiful. Can't see it on camera. It's actually overcast here today in Sydney, which is good because we've had nothing but 40-degree days. But I've got the blinds open, but it's still a bit dark. Oh wow, Sue, that is gorgeous. It's so sparkly. You just can't see the sparkle on camera. Oh, a little bit. You can see a little bit there. Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. I know Angelina from AK. Look, I always get your name backwards. Her channel's AK Fielding and Trahan or something like that. I always get the name wrong, but I'll put the link in the description box down below. She's a fabric lover like me as well. And so I know she will be appreciating this. Look, it's so beautiful. Those little brown things with the bling are like all over it. Oh wow, Sue, this is beautiful. I really hope you've kept some to make some boho journals and that yourself as well. Oh my gosh, it's so shiny. I want to see if it would fit JD. Oh wow, thank you. Oh, and I see one with even more bling on it. Oh, look at this. Oh wow, okay, I hope this has been cut because you kept some. Oh wow, look at all of that. I didn't even know how to cut this to make a journal. That is so beautiful, look. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Thank you. Look at this little drop. They look like little droplets. Wow, that's so beautiful. Thank you, Sue. Whoops. Sorry, I've shaken the camera and jiggled you about. You really did cram a lot in this little bag. Oh, Pamela at Gypsy Girl Crafts, she's going to be oohing over this. She loves this sort of material and fabric. Oh, that's really gorgeous. Look at that. Imagine how long it takes to, you know, make these. Look at this. That's so beautiful. Even where there's no beadwork or sequins, the fabric, look at that. It's the shiny gold thread. Oh wow, that's so beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay, I definitely have to get on and make some journals. I do have a lot in the works, but I just have them all half finished. I haven't made a journal, I think, like finished one since my little elephant journal. Oh, wow, look at this. So beautiful. Oh, this hurts my heart. It's so gorgeous. Look at the little flowers. Oh my gosh. Now, Sue, also, lucky it found my way. You put the wrong address. It went next door. Well, it had next door's address on it, but I don't know. I think the mailman, it's the same guy all the time. I think he knows where it should have gone, so he brought it over because there's new neighbours on that side of the house and they don't know our names. Oh, wow. That is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Sue. And honestly, thank you for thinking of me. Like, you've sent 2 happy mails as well already. I feel so greedy. Yeah, thank you. Actually, I sent Sue some gum nuts as well. And Sue, I really want to see what you did with the gum nuts. If you made journal dangles like Wendy did. If you haven't seen, I'll put the link down below to the actual video. Wendy Mason, in one of our little upcycle challenges that we had, she made some gum nut dangles, and yeah, they were so beautiful, and she actually sent me one as well in a happy mail. I was so excited because they're so gorgeous. And yeah, Sue Freeman is one of the ones I sent some gum nuts to as well, but she doesn't have a YouTube channel, but I have been like giving her little pokes and prods, and because she's really creative and really talented. I really want to see some more of your stuff, Sue. Oh, look at that. Okay, thank you so much. Honestly, I can't say thank you enough. I've just been absolutely spoiled rotten. I know it. And then on top of that, I won Sonia's giveaway, and actually I also won one of Debbie Brown's giveaways. And well, I don't know if I properly won, but I've got something to show you later. I'll show you later. I think it's down at the post office. I had a card left for me to go pick up something, and I think that's what it is. But yeah, thank you everyone. Oh my gosh, you've been so kind and generous. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.